Welcome to my video on resell rights, how to work less and make more. This is a resell rights vault video. In this video I will reveal how you can get products you can sell as your own. With so many private label rights packages out there, how do you choose the one that's right for you? One way to narrow down the choices is to apply a specific criteria to each private label rights package you are considering. As a starting point, here are 5 criteria you can use when shopping for a private label rights package. 1. Demand. Is the topic that the private label rights information product covers in demand? Are people willing to pay for the information? This is critical, because if there isn't a market for the information, it's probably not going to sell well. 2. Knowledge or interest. Most internet marketers buy private label rights information products to modify them, i.e., change the title, contents, etc. So if you plan on investing time and money in making the private label rights product unique, it helps if you are knowledgeable about the subject matter that the information product covers, or at least have an interest in it. After all, you can always hire someone who is knowledgeable about the subject matter to modify the product. 3. Price. How much is the private label rights package? Is it within your budget? It's a good idea to come up with a budget before you start shopping for a private label rights package. By the way, if you look hard enough you can find some very competitively priced private label rights packages out there. 4. Quality. This can be a little difficult because you typically do not see the content of the private label rights product until after you have purchased it. If the private label rights product comes with some type of guarantee, that's a plus. That way, if you are unhappy with the quality, you are protected by the terms of the guarantee. 5. Restrictions. This is important. Does the private label rights product come with any restrictions? For example, is there anything you cannot do, i.e., change the title, content, etc. of the private label rights product? If the sales page does not indicate either way, you can always email the company. In this article, we've looked at 5 criteria you can apply when shopping for private label rights packages. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Be sure to watch one of my other videos. Check out the description below for information on how to get over 800 products you can sell as your own.